on, everybody? Today we're going to replace the remote battery in a 2013 Kia Sportage. First thing we're going to do is open up the key, and we're going to take this back cover off. Okay, use a flathead screwdriver to pry it off. I'm going to start right here in this corner right here, and we're just going to lift up on it. You see how it kind of lifts up like that, and push up on it. All right, then you take the cover off, and that exposes the key. Positive side is facing out towards you, and the battery size is a CR2032. There will be a link down in the description box for a new battery if you need to pick a new one up. But we're going to use our flathead screwdriver and just pry this guy out. Okay, we're going to get our new battery, and again with the positive facing out, slide it in here and then push it down on in and put the cover back on, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. If the video was helpful, really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.